Hey, Jim from Donut Mountain Custom Models. Got my hands on a latest run Kato AC4400 UP 5780. Just added the Tsunami sound to it and did the weathering. So we'll just take a look at this guy. So nice bright LED lighting. Obviously the horn can be changed. And this one was weathered pretty heavily because the prototype photos from RR Picture Archives this one was sort of, must have went through a tunnel with a engine on fire in front of it or something. But you can see the normal louvers, handrail, or door latches all highlighted, all the grills pre-painted, etc. And this one has a yellow stripe on it. So sorry about that delay. The reason why there's a delay is because I'm standing in between my wireless and the thing, and it's not getting the signal until I step away. So okay, that's it. I mean, you pretty much get the gist. It's a Kato, runs like a Kato, it's got the Tsunami sound in it, custom weathering, the whole 9 yards. Okay, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.